Good morning friends, welcome to the channel Discovery with Data Science. Today in this video we are going to discuss two transformation functions, SoftMax and Sigmoid function at the output layer of a multi-class neural network. So what you can see here is an example of multi-class neural network, which is very basic example where sepal length, width, petal length and width is given and you have to classify which flower it is. Now because it is having multiple option at the output, that's why it is called multi-class. So in multi-class neural networks, at the output layer, this layer, output layer, we have most commonly two options, SoftMax function or Sigmoid function, because both give values in the range of 0 to 1, which is very beneficial at the time of calculating probabilities. But if you see its formula and if you calculate for each group here, like for flower 1, if I am calculating it as Sx1, then its value will be e to the power x1 divided by e to the power x1 plus e to the power x2 plus e to the power x3. Similar for flower 2, if I will calculate as x2, then its value will be e to the power x2 divided by same e to the power x1 plus e to the power x2 plus e to the power x3. And for flower 3, if we will calculate Sx3 is equal to e to the power x3 divided by same e to the power x1 plus e to the power x2 plus e to the power x3. And if we will add all them together, like Sx1 plus Sx2 plus Sx3, then it will become e to the power x1 plus e to the power x2 plus e to the power x3 divided by e to the power x1 plus e to the power x2 plus e to the power x3, means it is going to be 1. Means addition of all these three, this one and this one, is going to be 1. If we consider the output as a probability, means probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C, when it becomes 1, it's the case of mutual exclusive events. It's in the case of mutual exclusive events only we get probability as like probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C is equal to 1. It's the case of mutually exclusive events. So whenever we get a problem which is involving mutually exclusive output, mutually exclusive output means each output means one input will be having one output only and output will be independent of each other. So if that is the case, then SoftMax function is best suited for that. Other way, what is the thing is multi-level. Multi-level means one input can correspond to two outputs. For example, as we can see here in second example, suppose somebody is asking you Discovery with Data Science channel falls under which category? Educational, technical, business and entertainment. So what you will say? It is both educational as well as technical. So here input is 1, but it is related to output of 2. Definitely both will be having different probabilities. In this case, Sigmoid function is best suited. In this category, what we will do, we will get some probabilities and we will find out the highest probability as the output here. So after applying here softmax function, softmax, what we will get? Softmax, what we will get? We are going to get some probabilities, like it is having, if it may be having 0.7 as probability, this is having 0.2 as the probability, and this is having 0.1 as the probability. Addition will be 1. So I am going to choose flower 1 as the output, this one as the output. But mathematically, how I am going to do? I will take this output as a vector and feed it to Argmax. Argmax function. Argmax function, what it will do? It will give the index of maximum probability, or the maximum value, index of the maximum value. It will go here, it is 0th position, so it will give output as the 0. 0 means first one, 1 means second, 2 means third one, like that, and we can find. But here, because one maximum is available, then only we are applying Argmax. Here what we will do, we will, because multiple options are the output, so we will apply a logic. If this is greater than 0.5, then we will consider, then it's 1, means positive. We will choose. So suppose this is having 0.7, this is having 0.6, then we are going to choose, we are going to select that, and less than that we are not going to select that. So that's a very small discussion about softmax function and sigmoid function involving Argmax as the final conclusion. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that this video has contributed to your knowledge. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.